Hello good people of YouTube, All About Nat is back with another video, and today's video I am doing the week 11 unboxing. I'm leaning on this big box. It is a big box, rather a big box. Now yes, I'm doing the unboxing today. Tomorrow I'm probably going to do the preview to week 12. A lot of the lookbook items have been released on Instagram. Drops by Jay has obviously dropped all the stuff that is releasing lookbook wise. They are releasing the trainers, the CDG trainers, all that kind of stuff. There is a rumoured other collaboration, but we're not entirely sure about that. So I'm going to leave it another 24 hours, see if anything else comes out. If not, then tomorrow will be when I do this video. And I will go over, I'm not going to divulge anything now, but I will go over everything tomorrow, tell you what I like, ask you what you like, if anything at all, blah blah blah. We will go into that tomorrow. But for today, let's get into week 11 unboxing. Oh, the box logo sticker was on the very top. It could have fallen out. God supreme. Anyway, box logo sticker. Plastic bag that it wouldn't fit in. Oh, dun 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 dun. It is a giant box logo. No, it's not. It is the Hohner Melodica. Now this box is great. Look at it, it's a beauty. It's a beauty. It's quite heavy. Quite heavy this. So let's get into this. Ooh, it smells nice. This is a must have. If you collect Supreme, this is an absolute must. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. I love it. So you have the case. It's got a nice handle at the back. It's got Hohner there. You've got the Supreme box logo there. You've got, so you can carry it over your shoulder. And you can carry it like that. Do you know what I really want to learn? Now that I've got this, I really want to learn Gorillaz, Clint Eastwood. I'm happy, I'm feeling good, I've got sunshine, and I'm first. Not for long, the future is coming on, it's coming on. Yeah, because obviously he used the melodica at the beginning of that song. So this obviously screws into the front or whatever, or the back or wherever. And then we have oh, this is so funny. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Oops, there it is. Okay. Did you like that little tune there? Did you like that? Oh my god, this is great. I love it. What I don't get is why you've got that bit. I don't know. But hey ho. Anyway, so this is it. This is the melodica. And yeah, I love it. This is a great collector's piece. I think actually I like the detail on this. So obviously you've got your box logo on the front, you've got your Honer on the back, you've got your spit down the middle. No, it's alright. It's okay. And I like the case. Obviously I like the touch on the case. You've got your box logo on the case. It's a nice, yeah, it's a nice piece. What a nice case this is, I have to say. Really, really nice case. Very good quality case, I must say. Very good quality. So it's funny how they've printed the Honer on it, but it's an embroidered patch on there. Don't know why. Don't know why. But it's nice. I like it. Very nice. And as I say, I am going to try and learn Clint Eastwood Gorillas. That should be quite amusing. Yeah, I'll keep you updated on that one. But yes, it's all unds-ed. I don't care. Hooray, it's unds-ed. Thank you so much for watching. As I say, tomorrow will be the preview video, and then after that, whether there will be a live purchase video is another matter. I will go into all of that tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and all about that. We'll see you on the next one. Keep it real, guys.